Hello everyone. Consumers are asking if refrigerator also adds to high unit consumption. Is it true? Let me help you with this query. Yes, overloading of refrigerator leads to high consumption. Here are some tips to help you reduce burden on refrigerator cooling. Number 1. To ensure continuous cooling inside the refrigerator, avoid opening refrigerator unnecessarily. Number 2. Take care to store only those items in refrigerator which require refrigeration. Number 3. Do not keep hot food inside. Let it cool a little. Thank you.